Hello friends, welcome back. Friends, as you must have seen in the topic today in the thumbnail, that why detachment is so important in twin flame journey. Detachment is very important in twin flame journey. Generally we come into detachment with our twin flame when our partner blocks us, or we have come into separation, we have broken up with each other. Because of that we come into detachment, complete detachment. But to understand detachment, I will like to explain you what is attachment. But I tell you one thing I want to tell you, friends, detachment is very important in this journey, because detachment is a journey of preparation. Is a preparation. Your universe wants you to change completely. Because of that, this forced detachment is given to you all to prepare yourself, to change yourself completely. Friends, detachment is very important in twin flame journey, and you can say it is a blessing in disguise for you. So let us understand what is attachment first. When we meet our person, we are so much in love with that person that we get over obsessed with them, and we start behaving very possessive, and we feel this kind of love is completely different and we can't stay with that without that person. So we stop giving space to that person, and because of this over obsessive nature and our over intensity, our person starts running away from us, because they can't handle such kind of intensity in this relationship. Because of that they start running from us. All our desires what we have right now, or for a person, are all your attachments, like a desire to see your person, or a desire to check social media of your person, or last WhatsApp status of your person, or you keep seeing the old messages of your person or pictures of your person, the time spent together with your person. All this is attachment. All these attachments you have to let go completely, friends. This is only attachment. You have to let go. You have to come in complete detachment with your person. If you want to come into union with your person, you have to completely detach yourself with your person. You have to completely surrender to the God and let go, and believe that whatever universe is going to decide for you, it will be completely right. Then only you will be able to detach yourself. You have to let go completely that person and surrender completely to the universe. When we let go all these attachments and come into full detachment with our person, though full detachment is not possible, because in twin flame journey you can't forget your person anyway, and somehow you are going to remember that person every day only. But you have to let go that person and have to come into detachment. And when you start concentrating on yourself and start thinking about yourself more than that person, your twin flame, then the universe brings the process of union into the place. Hope I am trying to explain it to you all, what is attachment and what is detachment. You have got some understanding. During this separation, this attachment period, universe wants you to learn self-love, respect yourself. What you are looking for outside from that person is actually within you. You don't have self-respect yourself. You don't self-love yourself, because you're looking that love from that person. But you don't know that love is within you only. That respect is within you only. So universe wants you to teach that lesson, that love yourself first. That's the message universe wants to give you. So they have bring you in this compulsory separation for you. Since your person and you are both one soul in two bodies. If you will concentrate more on your person is going to concentrate more on the third party. And if you concentrate more on yourself, your soul, your person, your partner will look at you. That's the main reason the universe wants to teach you that concentrate on yourself and not on your person, because this person is within you only. So you can say that detachment is like a preparation phase for you, where you learn to be fearless, learn to be independent, not dependent on anyone, not even your partner, not your family members, not anyone. They want to make you a better version of yourself. They want to learn how to resolve your own problems, how to fight your own battles. Be fearless. and not to feel jealous of anyone, how to resolve an anger issue, how to resolve an ancestral issue, how to resolve a family issue. All these issues are resolved in your detachment phase. And believe me friends, when you do inner work, whatever inner work I have suggested you, when you start doing this inner works, this is going to help you a lot in your detachment phase. And definitely I am guarantee you, within 6 months you will be a completely changed person. You yourself will feel, why I was running after that person so much, why I was behaving so awkward. You will question yourself. So please friends, do those inner work whatever I have suggested. And if you are in detachment and your person has blocked you or your person is not talking to you, consider it as a blessing in disguise, because it will help you a lot. I'm telling you, because universe has a plan for everything. Universe has planned everything like this. It has to be this way only. That's why you have come into detachment. The universe wants you to make a better version of yourself. After detachment period will get over, you yourself will be concentrating on yourself only. You will feel complete within yourself. You will not feel the need of any other person in your life also. You will feel so complete within you. That's why I'm telling you that detachment is very important in twin flame journey. And concentrate more on yourself instead of your person. Don't stalk your person every now and then, because by doing this you are giving energy to your person. Your person also has strong intuition power. He or she realizes that this person is missing me. When you stop missing that person, you concentrate on yourself, your person will start missing you. I am telling you, definitely this will happen. You try this, all this thing, but for this you need to do those 11 inner works that I have suggested to you all. Okay friends, I hope you all got some clarity why detachment is so important in twin flame journey.